Alrighty guys, here we go. Check this out.
What I said?
We about to do the amber delete on these headlights here. So stay tuned for the final results. Alright, there it is. We got the light all cracked open. We're just gonna go ahead and clean up some of this adhesive here all the way around. And when I do these here, I bring them home because I don't have an oven at the shop yet, but we'll see. Hopefully in the future we get a bigger spot and I'm able to do them in-house. But there they are, removed. I'm gonna go ahead and take these puppies out and replace them with the clear ones. So I'll show you guys once that's all done. We got the clear ones here. We can also get you some smoked ones. Stay tuned. So here's another side-by-side look of the parts we're going to be replacing. This is the clear one. This is the orange one. Orange one, clear one. We got it all taken apart. We got the other one in the oven, getting ready to be removed as well. The other thing that I have done is I've painted these in whatever color you like, red, blue, purple, whatever color you want. We can customize it to whatever you want. We've also done the whole back housing in a white to color match your truck or whatever. They also sell a LED strip, so you can see under here. They sell a LED strip that you can do like RGB if you want that to change different colors. There's so many other options that we can do with this specific headlight. So just wanted to share that before I put all this back together. Let's go ahead and do a side by side here with these stock orange reflectors and with the aftermarket clear reflectors. Yep. There it is, all done. Amber delete. Ready.